there! In this video, we'll show you how to add a new employee in the Slimrate POS system. First, log in to the admin panel and open the Staff section. In the top right corner, click the New button. Next, fill out the employee form. Enter their first name, last name, and middle name. Select their position, and create a personal password. After that, add the address and contact details, email, and phone number. You can copy and paste the email to avoid mistakes. If needed, set the hourly rate. Once everything is filled in, click Save in the bottom right corner and check the result. You can always go back to Edit if you ever need to change the employee's information. That's it. Now you know how to add new employees in Slimrate POS. See you in the next videos.